What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Burre Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing, man. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with my channel. Now, it's been a minute since I dropped a video. I think it's been about a week. And I still got a shoe to unbox, man. I bought this shoe last week. And I've just been busy. Nothing crazy, but I've just been busy. So I wanted to hurry up and unbox this. Did I show my address? No. Okay. Anyways, I wanted to hurry up and unbox this so I can get it on the channel. When did I get this shoe? I think I got this shoe on the 28th, right? Straight from Nike. Nike.com. So it came in that like, you know what I'm saying, that recyclable. Anyways, there ain't no Nike tape on this box, you know what I'm saying? So it came in a good box. If you Nike, I don't know if you guys are in transition, but if you guys could just start using these boxes from now on, make things a lot easier. All right, so what we got here, I've never opened this box. Like I said, I've been holding this shoe for about a week. Tag reads Air Jordan 1 Low, white and pollen, size 10. That way you know it's a personal size. You know what I'm saying? Now, everybody's on their dunk tip, and Nike's been slick dropping some dope Air Jordan 1 lows. Ooh, yes, sir. These are as dope as I thought they was gonna be. Look, Nike, keep dropping these lows for me. I love my Jordan lows. I got some court purples. I got some starfish lows. I got some neutral gray lows. Like, keep dropping these lows while everybody's on the dunk wave. I'm gonna be on these lows. Anyways, here you go. Pull one out. Look at that. Yes, sir. So here we go, man. We got the Jordan 1 Pollen, Jordan 1 Low Pollen. It's a white and yellow, a white and pollen, white and yellow. You guys seen my other video, and if you haven't, you should go. You know what I'm saying? Check out my other video, the pollen highs with the black. You guys know. And I also dropped another video. What was the other video I had? Oh, the fours, the lightning fours. So go check that video out too. Yeah, man, look at this shoe. This came out. This sold out. This sold out on Nike.com. Not a lot of people went for it or even knew to go for it. And I think if people knew to go for this shoe, they would have. So let's go around this shoe. It's like it's like the Chicago almost, right? You got your color and then you got your white. It's a very simple shoe. I like it. Your tongue is white. Your Jumpman is that nice gold yellow color. On the interior, see that white Jumpman. On the bottom, you got that nice yellow sole. I mean, there's not too much to it. You know what I mean? I think it's a very clean shoe, and I think a lot of people slept on this shoe or they didn't know it was coming out. But I'm happy I got my hands on it. Let me grab this other pair, this other shoe. I'm not seeing any flaws on it, you guys. I'm not seeing anything. The leather is not like anything. It's not super soft or nothing like that. But let me set this right here. It's clean. This is a nice shoe. On the back of the heel, you got Jordan in white. Hope this is coming out clear for you. This is clean, man. No spare laces. I don't know if I said that, but there's no spare laces in this shoe. And it's that. What the hell is that? There's a little something funny on my shoe, but hopefully that wipes off. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if that's glue. That might be like, you know, a glue smear. I don't know if you could see that. Regardless, man, this shoe, I think I paid $110 for this shoe. I don't remember. Honestly, it was about a week ago. Yeah, these are clean, man. These are clean. Tell me what you guys think about these. Did you guys go for these? Did you not even know these came out? Or did you? Or was it too late? I think I was on in the chat room, Raffy Collects chat room, and everybody was going for these, and a lot of people hit, man. A lot of people hit. These are clean, man. So I just wanted to pull these out, man. I wanted to do a quick unboxing, man. I'm not, you know me, I don't like wasting people's time. I don't like wasting people's time. I'm gonna get a little bit of B-roll for it, you know what I'm saying? But this is a clean shoe, man. Comment below, did you hit on this shoe? Was this a shoe you went for? And what do you think about this shoe? What do you guys think? Low-key, I wish that this was the high top Pollen, right? White and yellow. This is fire. These are fire. I don't even know when I'll break these out. I was thinking about doing an on foot, but I don't know. We'll see. We will see, man. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell, man. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Right now, we're at like 170. So, you guys give me the 200, and then we'll work our way to 1,000. I greatly appreciate it. You feel me? I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? It's a long road in the sneaker road to get to 1,000 subscribers. So, every like, every subscribe matters, especially to me. So, do me that one favor. Go hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy. Tell me what you think about these Pollens. Skip, flip, or straight to feet. It's your boy, Burre Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace. I hit 8 minutes. Hopefully I hit 8 minutes.